Hello techies, welcome back to the channel. My name is Krishna and I'm a big data ETL tester and a BI tester. So today we're going to solve again some more SQL queries. If you're liking this video, please do like it and please share with your friends. And if you have not seen the videos in the earlier videos, please watch the kickstart video of SQL and how to set up and how to import the data, and then get started with these videos of solving queries. We have solved around 90 queries by now and I'm going to start with 91st query. Let's get started. Go into the screen and let's get started solving the questions. So before I start solving the question, let me give some brief introduction on which all tables we are using. So here select star from EMP. So I would always recommend you to write database name dot schema name dot table name. So table name is EMP. This is one table where we are using here table name, and then select star from scott.ept. This is the department table, this is employee table, and then we have select star from scott.salgrid. These are the three tables that we are mostly working on, and everything will be solved from these three tables only. You don't have to learn anything else. These three are the tables which I've already solved the first video in this series, which is the playlist link is in the description. Please watch the first video how to import this data into dviewer, and then you can get started. Display ename who are working in sales department. Display ename, display the names, select ename from EMP. Okay, sales department, right? Let me check. Select department, select star from DEPT. I'm writing the table names directly because I have configured the database. And the schema name both. It is taking as default, so I don't have to write schema name all the time, but you get into a practice of writing the database name, table name, and database name, schema name, and table name. Then it will be a good practice for you to write it that way. And so here I'm directly writing, though here is the table name where working in sales department. So sales department is department 30, so where where DPT number equal to 30. So I can do it this way, but which is wrong. We should not be doing it. They have told specifically working in sales department. So what I should be doing is, here I can solve it in a way where I can take this here. Let me write the DPT number from department, where go to the next line, where D name, department name equal to, what is it, sales. Okay, department name. If I do this, what is the department number coming out to be? Department number is coming to 30. So if I run the full query, here is that. Let me write the department number also. Okay, anyway, they have not asked, they have only asked for the name of the employee. So these are the employees which are working in department 30, and department 30 is what? Department 30 is sales. Okay, but if I want the sales name also to come, so this is one way of writing using subquery, but the other way is, let me write with joins. Select e.ename. If you have not watched my previous video, please watch the previous video. In that video I have explained about the alias name. What is this e.ename? Why am I writing this? I've explained this. Let me also explain in this video, but it will be very short. But in the previous video I have explained in little detail. If you don't understand still, then please comment. I will make a separate video on what is alias name. Okay, display e.ename, and then e.dept number, then d.dname, from EMPE. Okay, I'm giving a short form to the employee table, so that's why I'm taking as e comma deptd. Okay, where where there should be a connection, right? In between employee table and department table, what are the two primary keys? The primary key in department table is department number, and the same primary key is a secondary key in employee table, which is department number. So dono in between these two tables, the connection is department number. So where e dot dept number equal to d dot dept number, okay, and d dot d name equal to sales, okay. Sorry, simple here, yeah. I'm thinking why is the output not coming? Okay, semicolon, okay, no problem. So d dot d name equal to sales. Now I'm getting the same output, Ellen Blake. See, let me copy the output here and run this query again. Copy the output. See, if you compare Allen, Blake, James, Martin, Turner and Ward, the output is going to be same. Whichever way I solve, the output is going to be the same. But here what is happening is I'm getting the department name also when I'm using joins. Okay, similarly I can also do it this way. Inner join, in place of where I can write on this, and then I will write where this. Okay, the output is going to be the same. Okay, copy this, paste. So this is one way, and the other way is this. This is sub-query method. This is sub-query method. This is joins by using equal to, and this is again join by writing what? Inner join. Okay, right? So these are the three ways. So basically there are two ways, and but just the way of writing the joins. Yeah, okay. So I hope this is helping you. Please give a thumbs up if you're liking this video. Okay, I'm taking a lot of effort to make a video like this. Please give a thumbs up and encourage me to make more videos like this. Okay, display the employee name, department name, salary and commission for those salary in between this while location is Chicago. Okay, employee name, department name and salary. Select name, e dot name, comma e dot department. Sorry, they need department, right? So in this I don't think there is a way I can write it sub-queries. So I have to write in joins. So if you know the answer, and if you know the answer before me typing it, so please comment your answer. I would be very happy to see your comment. So display employee name, department name and salary. So salary is an employee table, comma e dot commission for those salary in between. So there e dot sal between 2000 and 5000. So I'm using this between keyword, so where the salary comparison is between this, or else I can also write it as sal greater than 2000 and sal less than 5000. So that means in between this range. Yeah, I'm just writing it as comment so that you understand. And while location, so d dot d name equal to Chicago, and to get the join from MPE, comma MPE inner join dptd on e dot dpt number to d dot dpt number. Okay, I hope the query is correct. Let me run it. What is the problem? Let me run this first. So salary between 2000 and 3000. Let me run it in sequence. Write this as d dot d name also. Okay, run this first. Salary ascending order, where salary between 2000, right? This is accounting. D name, sorry, the location I have to put LOC. Okay, this is should be the location and not yeah, there is only one employee whose salary is between this range and his location is Chicago. Okay, that is the question. So let me explain the query again. So here display the employee name, department name and salary and commission for those salary in between this range. The salary should be in this range and the location of the person who is working. So basically the department should be in Chicago. So let me write this. Select star from EMP, from DPT. Okay, so the D location should be Chicago. Okay, so location should be Chicago. That means department 30 it should be. So obviously I cannot directly write department 30. I have to write it as Chicago. So if I write this, where LOC equal to Chicago, if I do this, I'll get this detail. So this detail I got it. Fine, very good. And what is the condition? The salary should be between this range. Okay, so actually this can be also be solved by subquery, but I will have to write multiple subqueries. Okay, so if you can solve this question in subqueries, please comment your answer. I will be very happy to read your answer, and if the answer is correct, I'll give a shout out in the next video. The next video I'll pakka take your name and maybe put a screenshot of your solution also. But before that I will try to check if the answer of the query is correct or not, and if you could verify it and nothing like that. Okay, so I got I got the Chicago. Okay, and when I get this Chicago and the first is solved, so this condition is solved, the Chicago condition is solved, the salary condition is solved, and this is inner join, and what all details we want we are presenting it. So this is a query which will give me the output. So Blake is the person who works in sales department, who has a salary more than 2000 but less than 5000, and working in location Chicago, and doesn't get any commission. Okay, so I hope you are enjoying these SQL queries. I guess display those employees whose salary is greater than his manager's salary. Yeah, this will include a self join. So I will take this question in the next video. If you are liking this video and you want to talk to me in person, then you can please book a one-on-one session with me, and I'll just give a coupon code, and the coupon code is TKK. Coupon code is TKK56, where you will get a 56% off for the first 10 people who are going to book the session. For the first 10 people who is going to book this session watching this video will get a 56% off on a one-on-one session with me. The coupon code is given here, TKK56, 56% off on any booking that you make. Most of the booking, the important bookings that you make with me will get a 56% off, but this is only limited to the first 10 people who is going to book a session one-on-one with me. There you can go there and directly book a session with me, and you can see my calendar, which time is suitable for you. You can book a one-on-one session with me and discuss about any career guidance, or if you want to discuss about a project, or you want to learn something about ETL testing, or just want to interact with me, you can book a session with me. So the coupon code is again TKK56, where you'll get a 56% off. And if you're enjoying this video, and so please share this video, and please like the video, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel. And there is a link in the description of the Telegram channel that I've created only exclusively for the tech community, only exclusively for people who are wanting to get into the database side, into the ETL side, data warehouse side, and data engineering side. All those people I've just created exclusively for you, and most of the announcement will come in the Telegram channel, and please join that channel, and please follow me on Instagram also. Techie Krishna Kayaking is the name. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope you are enjoying the video. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.